Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Island YouTube channel. In today's video, we have a special token that will be claiming as airdrop into our Trust Wallet or MetaMask. But before we start, remember to like and share this video to your friends and loved ones. And if you are new to this channel, I welcome you, and please click the subscribe button to subscribe so that you'll be among the first to get notified whenever we post awesome videos like this. Without any further delay, let's dive in. The token we'll be talking about today is a new and promising token called TERRA Token. And I will be showing us how we can actually claim this token into our Trust Wallet. So, I have copied the link. And I will be leaving it in the description. But in case you were unable to copy it, join our Telegram channel where you can find the link and contract address and also tons of wonderful content about crypto and airdrop that will be of help to you. Now, let's begin. I will open my Trust Wallet. It's asking us to put our PIN. Alright. Now, I've copied the link like I said. I'll open the tab and paste it there, and then we'll search. Now remember to change the network in order to avoid huge gas fee. Okay, in order to avoid huge gas fee. So we'll be clicking the right hand side, change it to smart chain, let it load. As you can see, this is the main project site where we can claim our airdrop. The token name is called what? TERRA Token. It said hold TERRA Token, refer and earn BNB. That is, they have referral program. Now before we claim the airdrop, let us take a look at what the project is all about. So TERRA is a public blockchain protocol deploying a suite of algorithmic decentralized stablecoin which underpin a thriving ecosystem that brings DeFi to the mass, as you can see here. Now, one thing that I love most about it is the fact that they are partner with what? GitHub, Pancake, Trust Wallet, and all the rest. As you can see, you can take your time to read throughout the whole site and also the roadmap, as you can see. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so do your research properly before you invest into this token. I have done my research. You should do your own research. But for the sake of this video, we'll be claiming the airdrop. But in case you feel like you want to invest into these projects, here is the button to buy. But for us, we'll be claiming this token. Without any further ado, I'll click the claim button. It will ask to connect to our wallet. We'll approve it to load. To take some time. Now, as you can see, the amount, the smart contract call will be initiated here, but we'll have to pay a little bit of fee to acquire this token, which is 0.003 BNB, about $1.40, and the network fee is 28 cents. That's okay by me, at least for what we are going to be getting. So without any further ado, we'll just click the approve button. Once we click the approve button, it will ask us to input our. As you can see, we have successfully claimed 500 million of this token. Now we'll go down to where we can look for the contract address, where we can copy the contract address. Yes, come back up. As you can see, the contract address is here. Like I said, the contract address is in the Telegram group, so join the Telegram group and get access to it without any problem. Now We'll close the browser and go back to our Trust Wallet. You click the X there and click the wallet. We'll select this two dots here at the right hand side. Let me go back for the sake of those that are new. For the sake of those that are new, you click here. This is where you click. When you click it, you scroll down until you find the Add Custom Token. You click it. Remember to change network from Ethereum to Smart Chain. Always remember. Then all you have to do is click the paste, and the name, the symbols, the decimal will automatically appear. And all you have to do right now is what? Click done, and boom, we have our token in our wallet. So this is it. We've gotten it. Now, like I said, I'm not your financial advisor. If you feel like you want to buy, you can buy. Go back to the site. You see it, the minimum and the maximum amount is there. So that's it for this video. Please remember to like and share, and if you are new, like I said, remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified when we post awesome content like this. Thank you very much.